Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the kitchen. We are doing salsa. We're doing a fresh salsa, and I'm going to show you guys how I make my own tortilla chips. Before we get started, this is what you need. You need some fresh tomatoes here. Have some tomatoes here. You need a lime. You're going to need some cilantro. You can use a white onion. It's more milder. My kids prefer red. You're going to need a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, a teaspoon of cumin, some salt, some pepper, some lime, and some tortillas, and also some olive oil. So what we're going to do, I want to get those tortillas in the oven. So I'm going to push this to the side. All that I'm going to need is my salt, my lime, my tortillas. Put that oven on 375, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to cut my tortillas to make my own chips. We can stack them like that just to get them over with, really. Let me go down like this. Yeah. Then we're going to make some tortillas, guys.
Say love you, Grandma. Say mama. She ain't saying that.
Look, because I'm doing so much at once. Me try and do it to get it over with. And then put them down the middle. And you have your very own tortillas. Look at that. And I have another bag over here because I think I need to make a lot. You guys in my family. It's huge. So my oven is on 375. I have aluminum foil on a cookie tray. Are you holding that thing right?
Yeah.
Y'all all over the place. Okay. I can't get this open. Now why can't I get this open?
Cut.
Why I can't get this open? Yeah, it's cut. Brady got to open this. Okay, guys. Okay, so far we got what we got. Brandon never opened up this for me.
Oh.
You can't open it up. That was the person that was going on camera.
Hold it right there.
My hand's in the way?
No. Just pull it out.
Just pull it out. You guys is looking at plain tortillas. Here we go. It is raining here. Okay. So I'm just going to take my tortillas and flop them down. Oops. This is something that's easy. I mean, you don't have to go to the trouble and do this. You can buy your favorite. But, you know, it's just the fact to know that you can do it at home. Sometimes we always have these things laying around. I'm playing cards. Oh, hit me. I have to make a lot. And I'm doing this first because it's going on 375 for about maybe 8 minutes or so until they get nice and crispy. We don't want to overcook them. I'm going to set a timer on here just for like 5 minutes just to see where they're at. And if they need some more time, I'm going to, you know, waste some more time on here. They look like little tortillas, right? So, I'm going to go in with a little bit of olive oil. It's going to get everyone just because I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. Just sprinkle. We're going to take some salt. Yeah, this is the salt. I'm just sprinkling on my salt. And remember, for my flavor, I told you guys, I'm going to pipe it up. I'm going to add some lime juice. Yes, I am. I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Look. It's all over the place. I'm only using a half a lime because I'm making 2 trays of this. And then you go in with the hands, people. With the hands. See that? You go in with the hands. See? They're greasy. They're salty. They got lime juice on them. They're making these now in the store, and I thought I'd try. This is my first time doing this one this way. I make my own, just a little bit of salt and pepper. I wanted some flavor because the ones in the stores with the lime juice on them, honey, I just love them. And you're just gonna toss them back out, because you want to toss them back out, because you don't want it to crowd too much. You want them to be nice and crispy.
Do it over there.
I see her. It's raining outside. Okay, I'm gonna place this in the oven on 5 minutes on a timer. I'd say about 8 to really get them crispy, but I'm gonna do, ooh, the lemon and you can smell the lime. It smells so good. Place these in the oven, let them get crispy. And then while these cooking in the oven, I'm gonna wash my hands. We're gonna come back and fix our salsa, a fresh salsa, in the oven, 5 minutes. And then if they're not crispy like you like them, another 3 minutes for 8 minutes tops. Be right back. And look right here, the tortillas came out just perfectly fine. 5 minutes, nice and crispy. Some of them may got a little burnt because you gotta spread them out. You gotta spread them out. And what you could do afterwards, if you don't have enough flavor, even though they're hard, it may make it a little bit, so just sprinkle a little bit of that lime juice. I just love that lime flavor. And just sprinkle, they're hard, so yeah. And just sprinkle them, there it is. Or you can use your best tortillas. Okay, let me get me a napkin. Those are done, guys. Five minutes in the oven, 4 tops. Don't have them sitting on top of each other. Spread them out as much as possible. Let's cut these tomatoes. Got my tomatoes I'm cutting up. I like big chunks of tomatoes. You know what? I like big chunks of tomatoes. I'm not even eating this. Because I like big chunks of tomatoes. I just don't like salsa. But the kids, you ain't gonna have something to scoop up on that on them crackers. You wouldn't believe it or not. Yeah, that's my grandbaby, y'all. The one, unfortunately, I can't show her. Somebody asked me before, said no, she's too young for social media, and I'm going to respect her parents. And that's the baby I used to babysit. I'm going to scoop up this one tomato. And you can make them as small or as little as you like, because it's up to you. It's your preference. I just got these tomatoes yesterday, and I swear to you, it seemed like they're ready to go. Tia, we're making a video. That's my sister's guy.
Hey, it's Tia.
Y'all bring them back today.
She said, hey, it's Tia.
I love that when she say, hey, it's Tia. Y'all go check out her, my Change Your Lifestyle with her. I thank you guys for following. Every time I ask you guys to follow someone, so Squad, you are so great. Yeah, I'm cutting these tomatoes up any way I like them. It's salsa. They going in one spot, in the bowl and in the mouth. Like, you ain't cutting those tomatoes up right. Remember, home cook. And I'm so glad I made this, because just getting these tomatoes on yesterday, I'm kind of upset because it looked like they're trying to go bad on me, but they still eatable. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm using 3 tomatoes, you guys. I love this knife. I don't even know where I got it from. It disappeared in my kitchen one day. Yeah, you know how people had cookouts and stuff, and people bring stuff and everything. And yeah.
Come here, Sahara.
Look at her daddy. Come here, Sahara.
That's your finger.
I got this. They not be cutting it right, because they're soft. Because like I said, I don't know how I ended up with these tomatoes. Just bought them yesterday. Just for this video. So, that's okay. They're going to scoop them up. And they're going to eat them. You can cut yours a lot smaller if you like. I don't like, So I'm cutting just this size. Cut that. Look at my chopping board. All juicy tomato up. That's okay. Now, got your tomatoes diced. I'm gonna go over my cilantro. You don't have to worry about the stems. Not that much, just a little bit. Cilantro is really strong.
You're gonna smash it again.
Yeah, I'm just fold it and roll it. The stems are edible. And just really not that much. You don't need that much, you guys. Huh?
Throw it away.
Yeah. See? I just chopped it up. There you go. Red onions. I'm going ahead with. Again, you can use a white onion. That's what's traditionally used. I'm making a video, guys. I understand. I like hearing the family in the background, but they can't overtalk the video, right? So I'm not doing a lot of onions, you guys. So it's good. This is something quick, especially when you have your turn up Fridays or your turn up Saturdays or whatever how you turn up in your house with your friends. They will love this. It's quick, it's easy, and again, you don't have to use a red. Use a white onion. It's less. It's a lot milder. Look at me. That's it. That's all. That's all the onions I'm using. I didn't even use that whole half of onion. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of minced scarlet. Again, this is salt. How much salt? Remember, you have to taste it. A teaspoon of cumin. Somebody gonna say, no, cumin, girl. A teaspoon of cumin. Going with that. Again, some pepper. And we're going to squeeze. My whole table is a mess, but that's okay. I'm going to get it together.
What's your finger?
Where the water? I got this. Going in with 1 whole lemon. And that's not a lemon, is it, you guys?
No, it's not.
That's a lime. And you think I forgot? But guess what? We forgot the most important thing of them all. The jalapeno. The jalapeno. They give it that kick. Cut the stem off. Is that any trash over there? Now, if you want this spicy, leave in those seeds. Leave those seeds in if you want it spicy. If not, yeah, you're going to clean that cavity out. You're going to clean that cavity out. Yeah, I just did that with 1 thumb. Clean that out. Take my knife, push it to the side, push that to the side. Get all them seeds out. I'm going to chop this up. You use a half of one, a whole one. You want it spicy, leave in the seeds. And chop this, chop. Chop, 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 chop away. Brandon's so scared I'm gonna cut my hand. Man, I need to take a knife cutting class. I've been cutting for all these years, all this time. I'm making a video, Jackson. I need to have a sign. You had a red thing that said quiet in the set. Quiet on the set. That's what we need. Move out those spicy seeds. I might even got some in there. Who knows? The heat is not going to kill them. Who guys, if you only knew how bad I was sweating. I'm looking like something up in the kitchen. Take this, move it here, and there it is. You just taste it. What you do, guys, place it in the refrigerator for an hour or so and let it sit and all the natural juices will come in. I'm going to clean up my mess. Look at that. Clean up my mess, plate my dip, my salsa, and we'll be right back. This is when, you know, when guests come in, you want to transfer into a bowl that is going to fit in.
Juice in there, juices.
Yes, look at the juices. Running tomato. And she's still making a mess. But that's okay.
Say that for me.
Brandon said, say that for me. Can I hear her talking? That's okay. This is my salsa. This is a fresh salsa, you guys. With my own shit. Again, a good I lost one to the floor. A good 5 minutes in the oven. Your family will love them. You can season them just with salt and pepper, or just you like them plain, you guys. But here you go. That is SoulfulT salsa. It's a fresh salsa. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thumbs up. Guys, get this video to about 3,000 likes. Yes, 3,000 likes. I hope you guys enjoy this salsa recipe. Until next time, guys. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified. If I slam this thing one more time, I'm sweaty. It's hot in this kitchen. I am out of here. I love you, Soul Squad. Bye. Say the name, Jolene.
You got poutine on deck.
Poutine on deck by SoulfulT, made my way. This is out. This is going out to all my Canadian fans. I hope I served you guys justice. Like, share.